Do you want to start a new business but don't have any idea? Then this video is for you. In this video, we are going to talk about a business that very few people know about. The advantage is that you only have to work for 10 minutes. It sounds too good to be true, but it is possible. This business can be done from anywhere in the world, and you have to invest almost nothing. You don't need to buy a book, take a course, or buy ads. There is no need for a degree or diploma. Anyone watching this video can do this work. Now, let's talk about the business. The business is selling books on Amazon. Now, you might think, you were talking about 10 minutes. How will we make a book in that time? This is the main business. You create low-content books. Low-content books mean there is little to no content inside, like notebooks. You can create them quickly. Medium-content books like comics, puzzles, and other full-fledged books take more time. You have to sell low-content books on Amazon. A book can be created in 10 minutes if you have an idea. Amazon handles all the logistics, printing when the order comes, shipping, returns, and you get royalties. Now the question is how we can create a low-content book in just 10 minutes. The answer is BookBolt. It's a complete solution for creating books and making money with Amazon KDP. I will put the link in the description. This is the BookBolt interface. Now click on Start Free Trial. And then create an account with your personal data. Once you log in, your interface will be like this. You will find in-depth tutorials for every use case of BookBolt. You can watch them for better understanding. Today I will guide you step by step. First of all, you have to do some research for our book type and BookBolt will help us to do so. Click on the cloud in BookBolt, and you will see the top 100 bestsellers on Amazon. You can choose which low-content book to make, whether a journal, notebook, calendar, or planner. Medium content like puzzles or comic books takes more time. I started making journals based on my research. Click on the journal option, and you will see the top 100 bestsellers. There are many types of journals. I decided to make a gratitude journal. I will also show you how I decided to make it. I searched it on Amazon. Let's see if we should do more research on this topic. We went to the gratitude journal. When we clicked on the search, it gave us the top 100 bestsellers. And how much sales are being made on the bestsellers on Amazon? Almost 500 copies are sold on every seller on Amazon. It is a low-content book. You can easily make it. Almost 400 to 500 copies are sold on Amazon. You will get all the information here. One more thing is that you have to go to Amazon. You have to search for gratitude journals. How many books are available on Amazon? When you do research, it should not be 10,000, 20,000, or 50,000 products are available. You will have a new product. It will not rank so easily. You should not have too much competition. If the number is under 5,000, then it's okay. It is better if it is less than that. But it should not be 50 to 50,000. On this basis, I have decided that I will make gratitude journals. When I selected gratitude journals on Amazon, I got its results of approximately 3,000. So 3,000 is still decent. Select something that is also selling. So I have decided this. Now we will create our book. To create a book, first of all, click on the Research drop-down menu from here and then select the Create option. There are two options, BookBolt Studio and Bolt Mass Cover Converter. Select BookBolt Studio. And this is one of my previous projects. Now to create a new book, click on the Project button from here and then select New Project. When you click on the new project, a pop-up will appear. We have to provide information about our project. First, the project type. I will go with the paperback cover and interior. Because if I select the hardcover, the cost will rise and our book will be expensive. So, to keep the project cheaper, I will go with paperback. Next, give a title to your project or book. I am simply typing gratitude journal. After that, you can select the trim size of the book. The size of normal books is 6 by 9. So you can select 6 by 9 inches. After that, we have to set the interior and paper type. I will suggest to go with black and white. If you go with color, again the cost will rise. After that, you have to select the bleed and no bleed. Bleed means that whatever you will make the cover page, it should not go out of the frame. So you have to select the bleed. And the page count depends on you. How many pages do you have to make? You can add 100 or 200 pages. If you are making a daily journal, then you will add 365 pages. And make sure that you know that the front and back covers are also included. So you can take 367 or 369 pages. After all is set, hit the Create Project button. And here it is, our new project has been created. Now we have to customize the project. There are a lot of things written on it. This means that the right side is your front. And this is the back side of your book. So you have to make a front and back cover. First of all, we will hide the numbers. To do that, click on the transparency box from here. Now you will notice an option for the hide cover template. Mark on it and click on the OK button. As soon as you make a hide cover template, you will get this blank screen. First of all, we will make our cover page. Click on the image icon from here. You will find a vast number of images from Pixabay or Unsplash. You can even upload your own image to design your book cover. I will go with this image. Now adjust the size and position according to the canvas. This will be our font page, and this will be our back page. Now I will add the blend effect from here to my cover image. After selecting, the blend effects, turn it on and then select the color you want to blend. I will add the black color. My suggestion is to play around with the color and effects to get the next best result. Now we have to write what is this book. What you have to write. So, click on the text icon from here and then add heading text on the canvas. Replace the text with your book name. For example, I am entering gratitude. Now customize the font of the page. You will find a vast number of fonts here. If you want to add your own customized font, you can upload them. These are some of my favorite fonts. I am using one of them. Next, customize the color of the text. As my background is dark, I will go with the white color. In this same way, I will add another heading box for the text journal. After adding the text, customize the font, color, and position. Now it looks perfect, but I will make it more eye-catchy. To do that, I will add a famous quote at the bottom of the page, and as well as on the back side of the cover page. Now it looks great. Alright, now let's head over the actual book content. Select page 1 or any other page from the book content. After that, click on the page templates from here. And you see, you are getting all these templates. If you want to make a normal notebook, select this simple variant. And it will become your notebook. We are making it but in a journal. So we are going to match it for a journal. That it should be a little extra, not simple lines. There will be such messages for that too. What are you thankful for? What date is it today? What else can you do? All these things. So here was a journal template. I liked it very much. I selected it. So here they have given a date. The quote of the day is I wanted. Today I am truly grateful for it. What would make today great? And I am thankful for the rest of the messages. Some amazing things that happened today. What could I have done to make today even better? So there are things that people like, that are written in the journal. So according to me, it is the right template. I am going to select this template. Now we have to apply this template to all other pages. If we want to do it one by one, it will take a huge time. So, we will do it in bulk mode. Click on Select All from here. Here all of our pages have been selected. Now we have to unselect the cover page. Otherwise, we will lose the cover page design. Okay, now click on the next button. The next page is to customize the alignment. Don't change anything, just hit the Submit button. And here it is, the template has been added to all the pages. You can add shapes, text, and other elements from here to make the design more interesting. I will skip this time because the design looks perfect for me. Alright, the book is ready. Now we have to export the book. To do that, click on the Download button from here. You will find some options. Select the correct project RGB, ebook, option. Now BookBolt will take some time to export the book. And here it is, our book is ready. You will get two things in this book. One is you will get PDF file in it and the other is you will get a cover page. Now we have to publish the book on Amazon KDP. This is the KDP portal of Amazon where the books are published. After going there, you can create your account on this link. I have logged in here because I have already created the account. So we are starting first to publish our book. As you know, we have made a paperback book. So we will click on paperback. After creating paperback, you have selected your language here. English is the language of your book. You have to give the title of the book. You can take inspiration from the rest of the books on Amazon. But don't copy and paste the rest of the book's description. Because this is their content, not your content. I entered this. After that, you don't have to add anything to the series. You don't have to add anything to the edition number. Of course, you have to add your name. You have become an author. So I will add David White. After that, the description. You can take the help of ChatGPT to write the description or create your own. The description has come. So this will be our description. After that, you have to click on Publishing Rights. I own the copyright. Obviously, you have to click that. These are your copyrights. And after that, your primary audience is there. There are no sexually explicit images or titles. So we will click here. After that, you can select your primary marketplace Amazon.com. You can select your local domain also. But I will suggest going with the universaldomain.com. Okay, next we have to select the category. If you are confused about the category, don't worry, BookBolt will help us. You don't have to do anything. Simply click in the category of KDP. In the categories, you put your book. We are making a gratitude journal, so I put gratitude journal here. Here, we will do research to determine which categories you should select to find the right one. You can select all these categories. One more thing I recommend is to select a category where the competition is less, so your book can achieve a higher rank. When your book becomes a bestseller in one category, it becomes recommended on Amazon itself. You should know such tips and tricks. Carefully select the category. After my research, I decided to go with self-help and journal writing. So, this is our category. Go to KDP and click on Choose Category. We will select the category self-help as we saw in BookBolt. We will do the same for journal writing. Next, our keywords are here. Who will help with keywords? BookBolt will also help us with keywords. Type in BookBolt and click on Keywords. In search, you will know that we are making a gratitude journal. By putting keywords in search, our book will come up in search results. BookBolt will provide all the research. You don't know who is searching, what they are searching for, and how many search results there are for those terms. BookBolt will tell you. For example, if I select gratitude journal, BookBolt indicates that 365 gratitude journal is a keyword that has been searched 18,175 times. This is the right amount. We will pick the top 6 keywords. In Amazon KDP, you can use a maximum of 7 keywords. We will use the top 7 here. After entering the keywords, click Save and Continue. The ISBN number will be generated when your book is published, so you don't have to worry about it. There is no need for a publication date. In print options, select black and white interior with white paper. Trim size should be 6 by 9. Choose bleed if preferable. You can select matte for the cover. After that, upload your manuscript and cover. You have already created the cover, so upload it. Once uploaded, click Next. The upload process is quick, taking just minutes. Ensure no AI-generated content is used. Click on Book Preview. Once the preview is approved, continue to save. Launch the preview to see how your book looks, including the front page, back page, and inside pages. If approved, continue to save. After the preview, approve it. Then go to the next page for the pricing option. The printing cost is $30. Click Save and Continue. On the next page, we have to set the price and profit margin. For instance, you can price your book at $14. You will see the royalty amount, which is $6 per book. So, set the price at a good price. Finally, click Publish your paperback book. Your book can take up to 72 hours to become available for purchase on Amazon. You will receive an email once your book is published and available for purchase. This is how you create and publish a book with the help of BookBolt. BookBolt assists you step by step, from product research to creating the book and entering keywords. You can start for free, as mentioned at the beginning. But if you are really serious about this business, then you have to try one of the paid plans. The first one is the newbie plan, only $9.99, and the pro plan is only $19.99 per month, which includes the puzzle creation software along with all the other features shown in the video. Another good news is, you can enjoy 20% discount on every plan by using our coupon code AILOCKUP. Alright friends, I will wrap up the video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your opinion on BookBolt. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!